Hi. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm tired now. I'm gonna go eat.
Welcome, guys. Hi, it's your girl Juliet. I'm Caleb, just waking up. All right, so today we're on to revamping pillow number 2 of 4. If you missed my last video, don't forget to check it out after this video. Oh my god. Can you get out of my shot? Thanks. So yes, pillow number 2. I bought these Ikea pillows and they need to be revamped because they're looking lifeless and limp. Hope you enjoy this video. If you do, like, subscribe, and share. Okay? Take care, guys.
Bye. But wait.
Bye. No, I can't keep. That's too. Okay guys, so the first thing I did was create my tassels. I created 4 of them for each corner of my pillow cover. And what I used to measure or create my tassel was my hand. Now you can use anything really. You can use your phone, you can use a piece of cardboard, anything really that would basically give you the size that you want in terms of a tassel. Okay guys, so I realized that my hand's in the way. I'd like to apologize. The problem is that I ordered my tripod towards the end of April, and guess what? I'm still waiting for it. Ordered it from Walmart's website, and yeah, it's still not here. So your girl's got to make do with what she has. All right, so at this point, once again, I apologize for my hand being in the way, not being able to get a clear view of what I'm doing, but hopefully I am able to fix that issue soon. Once the tassels were created, I attached them to my pillow cover using a needle with a wide eye or a big eye, and the same yarn that I created my tassel with. Next, I turned the pillowcase inside out, and what I did to basically give myself a guideline as to where I wanted my design, I created a border using a white pencil crayon and a ruler. I then went on to quickly sketch out my pattern of how I wanted to place the yarn, and so I made some markings using the white pencil crayon and a ruler again, and made some lines so that I know where I was going to insert my needle with the yarn and where I was going to come back on the other side to create my pattern. I then threaded my needle with the yarn, and I created basically a double string or double yarn. And what I did is I went in through the top of my cover, which is the inside of the cover. Let's not forget that. And then I came back up on the other end where I made the mark. And you know, once you basically flip it over, basically where the yarn disappears is going to be the line that's created once you flip it over and have the right side up. I proceeded to complete the whole cover and fill in all the lines that I created and marked off. And what I did was glue down the yarn as I went along. That way I know that the yarn is secure and is nice and taut and not pulling on the cover. Alright guys, so once I finally have all of my yarn in place, what I'll do is turn the cover inside or right side out again and refill my pillow with my filling. Add some more just to make sure that it's nice and full and plump. Guys, here's the final look of my pillow. It's beautiful, it's unique, it's different, and it's full. I'm so happy with how it turned out, and it goes well with the other pillows that I have currently in my couch. I can't wait to see what it looks like and how everything comes together once I remake my living room. But what you guys think? Leave me a comment. Let me know if you like this one. If you didn't like it, let me know. Alright guys, so this is pillow number 2 out of 4 done. There are 2 more pillows to be remade or revamped, so I hope you stay tuned. Alright, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, don't forget to share, and please subscribe. Thank you very much. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any more of my videos either, okay? I hope y'all enjoy your day, your evening, whatever time it is, and see y'all in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm gonna go use a break.
Okay, that's not going in. I'm not taking that. I'm not putting that because it just gosh, really? It's your girl Juliet. Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be revamping Villo. Oh my god, Villo. Today. Oh my